Assalamu alaikum. This is Hafsa, your science teacher. Today we will revise unit number 2, the senses. Learning objectives of this lesson are: list the 5 senses and their corresponding organs and explain the types of movement. As we have discussed in our previous lectures that we have 5 senses. How many senses? 5 senses. Look at this picture. Can you name these sense organs and senses? These are taste, hearing, sight, smell, and touch. Let's recall each sense. Number 1 is hearing. We hear sounds with our ears. We can hear soft and loud sounds. Students, protect your ears from loud sounds. Do not stick things in your ears. Number 2 is taste. We taste things with our tongue. We can taste sour, bitter, salty, and sweet foods. Number 3 is touch. We can touch and feel with the skin on our body. We can feel cold or hot, rough or smooth, hard or soft. Number 4 is sight. We see with our eyes. We can see more clearly when things are in bright light rather than in dim light. Students, protect your eyes. Never look directly at the sun. Number 5 is smell. We smell with our nose. This is our sense of smell that tells us about good or bad smell of something. Let's repeat. We have 5 senses which are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. We can move in different ways. We can walk, run, jump, roll, skip, crawl, and turn. We can move many parts of our body. Students, this is your homework task. Pause the video, think and solve these blanks and then send me on my given email address. In case of any query, you can send me an email as well. See you in the next lecture. Take care.